Today I will show you how to connect your Supabase account with Flutter. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Supabase and we're going to create a project. So this is going to be the database that we want to use for our Flutter application. Once you create it, I have mine already here, but once you click here, you can create a project for that. And I'm going to use this for the purpose of this tutorial. Now we're going to go to VS Code. Now in the VS Code, you can see that I already have my Flutter app here. So down here, I'm just going to CD and I'm going to go to my Flutter app. Now that we are in the Flutter app, what we're going to do is we're going to add the Supabase package. And to add the Supabase package, what we need to do is we need to put Flutter pub add Supabase Flutter, and we're going to click enter. Once that's done, what we need to do is we need to initialize the main.dat file. So we're going to come to lib main.dat, and here we're going to clear everything that's here, and we're going to input this code. Now this is going to be our Supabase URL code and our anon key. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Supabase. So we're going to come here, we're going to click on Supabase. So we're going to go to the project that we want to add. At the top, we're going to see connect. We click on connect. Now right here, we're going to copy this keys that are in this file here. And we're going to go to our VS Code. And in the main.dart, we're going to put this here. And you can just cut this and put this in the URL. And you can cut this and put this in a known key. And just like that, you've been able to connect your Flutterwave app to your Supabase database. Now, if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.